looking proper right now in 7-Eleven. I seem to have misplaced my sunglasses and I'm trying to find some. I don't know if they have any here. I seem to be on the struggle bus this morning. I missed the breakfast spot. I went to 7-Eleven, they got no sunnies. I tried to go get money. My car didn't work. I went back for my sunglasses, still didn't find them, and went to the breakfast place, and it's closed. Things are going all right. Second 7-Eleven, no sunnies. Every gas station in America sells sunnies, even the crappy ones. So this is where a Wally Whizzle would come in handy, huh? All right, y'all, I bank with USAA. There's a green bank, a blue bank, a purple bank. The purple bank always works for me. The other ones, they don't. Guys, I've been riding up this crazy mountain and going to this farm right now, and it could not be cooler. Hi, baby. Oh my god, I almost walked right into a spider. Look at this thing. I think that's a durian tree. Got a little roadside reprieve, man. I'm freaking hot. Gotta get back to Chiang Mai. A nice lady came out and told me to walk back here. It's pretty. Cool. There's a plantation over there. What up, everybody? If you watch my other channel, we just left such an awesome farm, and we are on the coolest little back road farming community in Thailand. Let's freaking rip this Honda 125 moped clutchless shifter. Here we go. Am I gonna be able to get back up in this bitch? And dropped out. I refuse to be part of the litter problem. That trail, dude? No way. Should I risk it for the views right now? God, I'm getting so... Oh my god! Oh my god! We made it! Oh my god! can't wait to watch that. God, I'm getting so... Oh my God! Oh my God! There we go. This is the Thailand I know. Plus, pee just went all over my legs. Once again, 7-Eleven has saved my life. I'm on basically a diet of 7-Eleven food, at least 50%, I'm guaranteeing it. And it's hot as hell right now, but luckily, guys, I have a little bit of water, and this isn't my first rodeo in the heat riding. If you guys have been watching the channel, Colorado, that road trip almost killed me. So I'm gonna douse myself up in water, and we're gonna get back on the road. Chiang Mai is calling. Thigh meat's burning. Now pulling over in any spot of shade at any second that I have to. Go here.
We are going to Pet Doi Ngam restaurant, which is a local restaurant in northern Thailand. So we're gonna do the authentic food like an omelette.
An omelet?
Yeah,
is here?
Yeah, it's good.
All right.
Take a look, man.
Cool. Is this the Hmong village?
Not Hmong village, but Lanna people back in the day, like I think about 100 years ago.
Right.
Yeah. น้ำเปล่าครับเอาปูออกครับ It's organic, farm to table.
Right. And sticky rice inside of here. Why is it, what makes it sticky?
Huh?
What makes it sticky?
Because of the genetics that they grow. It's
Genetic.
Like, yeah. Like northern Thai herb.
Catfish with Thai herb.
Yeah, and they put like, you know, in the cooking.
So these are little local crabs. Where do they get them?
From the rice farm.
A rice farm?
Yeah.
We're gonna try this. It's the sticky rice with the crab. The crab's pretty good. I'm trying to think what it tastes like. Kind of like a little salty.
You know, the fresh one.
Local mushroom.
Yeah.
What was it called?
Head top.
Hip top?
Head top. It's like of the north.
Truffle of the North. They're crunchy. Kind of tastes like a steak though. This is the local fried chicken. Oh, they grew these chickens around the corner here. Chicken coconut soup here. Man, we got a smorgasbord going on right now. All right, this is it, the ant egg omelet. We're about to get it. We're about to try it. See how it is. You ready? It tastes like really good eggs. Eggs with onions and a little bit of green onion in there too. Like a strong licorice, like a black licorice. Coconut soup here. Wow. Coconut soup is really good. I like the ant egg dish. We're going back in on it. So lock it up. Insert.